What's up guys, David here for another 240 video, and we are continuing the rust repair that we had previously on the YouTube channel. So we have two things to fix left. We actually got the worst part of the rust fixed up. Now we gotta fix the floorboard. There's a little itty bitty hole in the floorboard, and then also right near the strut tower in the engine bay. We just have to patch that up as well using sheet metal. So shouldn't be too bad, but we do have to grind through some stuff, and of course Andy here in the background, being the badass that he is gonna help us once again. And yeah, in the comment section below, David, work on your own car. But you know what? It's gonna get done better this way, and we'll get the car done faster this way. So that's what we're doing. So to patch up the rust, we are using sheet metal. What kind of sheet metal? This is straight up from Home Depot. Not even gonna lie to you, but it's weldable. Weldable, excuse me. So make sure if you're gonna do something like this using sheet metal, make sure it is weldable or it won't work and it'll be a really bad day. So as you see here, we have our handy dandy dry erase marker. We measured out where to cut, and this will be a metal piece to fix some stuff.
Measure twice, cut once.
Yeah.
Yep. Basically what I'm going to do is connect this piece with that piece to this piece, and then connect all that to this piece.
Cool. Sounds like a plan. So the point of cutting the metal, like we said earlier, is we're gonna use this piece to fix the floorboard, and we're gonna use the other piece to fix the engine bay. And by we, I mean Andy, because he's awesome. I just wanna express that enough, because we're so screwed without him. We close the door to get warm, as you see here.
Yes.
It's cold now.
Quite cold.
I'm not ready for the cold weather.
No, no.
Not about it. You okay?
We have a problem.
How so?
This right here needs to come off. Bracket.
Okay.
There's just bolts that go through to bolt the cross member to the frame rail.
Alright, Andy just taught me a lesson. We had to take this out right here so we could weld. These two bolts, along with the exact ones parallel on the other side, is all that holds the subframe in the front of a 240SX. That's it. That's it.
Well, you got your tension rods too.
Oh, yeah. But still, that's insane.
Yeah.
So, what'd you say, David?
It's a lot less rust than I actually thought there'd be. Looks
Yeah.
pretty good.
Yeah, it just seemed like it was that one particular spot.
Yep.
Everything else, like the frame rail, you know, hitting it with the screwdriver.
Dude, that was so scary.
Just screwdriver.
I've never been so happy to see that.
That is so much.
Yeah, but we're placing it, so.
Come out of there. There we go.
Look at that. Hey, David,
Yes.
did I tell you that you smell like cigarette smoke?
I do.
By the way, entire YouTube channel, David here wants to quit smoking. So make sure to put in the comments section below that he should stop.
Maybe I will.
Maybe it's not an option.
Okay, I will. And someone said he's gonna buy me a twin turbo 2J if I do, so I'm gonna hold you to that.
Oh yeah, them Periscope viewers always keep their.
His girlfriend.
Keep their word, man.
So while we were welding, or Andy was welding, we need a trip to breaker back because we not shorted everything out, but we had to reset everything. This is a crisis for David.
Garage and yeah, sweet.
I'm a wizard. We're having a little bit of difficulty, not difficulty, just awareness because the under fender line, is that what it is?
Yeah, like the coating in the wheel well.
That's occasionally getting a little too hot, as you can see, but we're keeping our eye on it. Oh. The dock side is strong with this one.